Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you, the pull-up and dab abdominal muscle loops. The arm loops for abdominal workout. Pull-up bar loops for Doorframe and gym bar set of 2 carabiners for ab straps. And we're going to use these awesome devices or product on this gym bar. So, full concentration on six-pack training. The wide abdominal loops support our elbows in a comfortable way and take the pressure from the shoulders and arms. So we can train our abs to a six-pack in a targeted way. Or an eight-pack. I have a one-pack. For adjustment and easy to apply. Thanks to the high-strength nylon extension loops and the steel safety carabiner, we can adjust the arm straps to fit our thighs to 4 different lengths. Installed in second without any tools. And versatile use. The abdominal training loops fit perfectly for all types of pull-up bars for the wall, ceiling, door frames, door bars, or on rear bars in calisthenics parks. Ideal for abdominal exercise such as leg lifts and straight and oblique knee lifts. Includes a stylish gym bag for easy transportation. And it's super comfortable and extremely load-able. The padded straps with soft lining are super comfortable to wear. 2 metal safety carabiners and heavy-duty nylon straps ensure maximum stability and a load capacity of up to, you can hear it, 200 kilograms. That means it fits to me with my 125 kilograms. Lightweight and easy to carry, but still highly resilient. No scratches and damage, thanks to the nylon extension loops. The arm loops do not have to come into contact directly with the steel carabiner on the bar. This ensures a scratch-free and mark-free use. And how we can use it and to attach them, watch this video. Continue this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.